So rule number 3, and out of the 6 rules, rule number 3 is the most important. And rule number 3 is simply always check your work. Now what does that mean? Well, remember, rule number 1, where we started in our 6 rules, is good data in is good data out. So you really have a master set of good images, let's say 100, and you have a master set of bad images, let's say that there's 25, okay? And we know that rule number 2, we always start with a golden image, so we're going to apply our first tool to our golden image. Well, how do we know that that tool actually works? Let's say it's a location tool. How do we know that that location tool is going to find all the good parts and bad parts within our sample set? And that is rule number 3. Always check your work. Many times we've seen customers apply a tool, it looks good on the first image or their golden image, and then they start applying the second tool, and the third tool, and the fourth tool, but they never checked how good the first tool worked. So that's why rule number 3 is the most important. Always check your work. For rule number 4 is really kind of a basic one, and that is always name your tools. And that's for the basic understanding and simple reasoning that, let's say that I'm setting up an application, and in the tool set they'll have several just generic names. But all of those generic names can be actually renamed for specific reasons. And it's all for just ongoing support for other people that may be looking at the supporting the vision installation that I've done or that other people have done. So let's say I have a location tool. Instead of just a standard generic name, I might say track gasket. I might say locate web line. I might say find plastic molded piece. So then the operator or the maintenance person knows exactly what that tool is for. Of course, I name all the tools and give a brief description on what they're doing just so that people can support what I've done later down on the road.